My name is Tiamiyou, and I'm the director of Senegal Flying Labs. It has been an honor for me to be a judge at this year awards that promotes and recognize positive drone use case which are innovative, safe, and sustainable. An initiative that is really dear to my heart. So it is an honor to be part of this, and particularly to see very incredible submissions and projects that were part of this award this year. And it is a big honor to announce the winner of the software category in the technology group. And the winner is American Robotics. American Robotics, congratulations for your submission for Scout System. Congratulations.
Hi, my name is Reese Moser, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of American Robotics. On behalf of our company, I want to thank Airwards for this award. For the past 5 years, our team has worked hard to develop a truly automated system that is approved by regulators. And it's really wonderful to have this hard work and achievement recognized. Again, thank you from myself and our team.